It's Josh here, and doing just a little bit of an introductory sort of video on my forge setup today. Only recently made this forge, stainless steel sort of tray basically. I'm not sure what the original usage was for. I think someone's made it up anyway, and then which we cut and then folded along the middle, shored a few holes in the back, and set up the pipe arrangement. That's an old Hoover. I'm hoping for I'm going to get a hairdryer soon, a variable one, because this is a bit fast constantly, which isn't ideal, to be honest. A basic anvil for now, just a stainless steel round on top of a stump. Just nailed it on and things. It's pretty secure. I mean, it's secure enough for what I need. All the usual tools, hammer and brush, and the rest of that. Yeah, so we're just gonna probably make a bit of a little nail today, or something like that, something small and pretty easy, because I'm only starting off. I haven't really done a lot yet, so we'll get back to you when that's ready for forging. This anvil's obviously not ideal, but it'll do for a start, I think. Ready? Go. Gotta go quick. Push it all the way through. Watch out, that thing might fling off. Hard.
Ensure consumers know what they're buying.
What have you done?
I was just an obvious question.
Experience stuff, Getting there. About right, I think. You ready?
Stone boiling, or metal boiling.
Hot metal boiling, yeah. Now, that should have hardened it, I think. So there we go. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Rather than biting in, for it to sort of glide off, sort of. It's not quite as hard as I would have liked, but it's not digging in like normal steel. It's kind of gliding off a bit more. Like if you're filing an axe or something like that, it glides off. Right, that's that's today's
nail.
Today's make. It was only fast. I'll put it into a board or something. I think this has got the bottom of this here up. Let's just get it a little. There you go. There we go. Alright, thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.